short speech on light. Firstly, I am going to say my name. My name is Ahiyan Ahmed from class 4. Light is a moving wave that travels in all directions like a moving wave. The light reflects off smooth, sunny, flat surfaces in a regular reflection pattern. Some sources of light are natural and man-made. Some man-made sources of light are street light, table lamp, and television, etc. Some natural sources of light are sunlight, stars, and jellyfish, etc. And the speed of light is 3 lakh kilometers per second. The light travels in a straight line. Light reflects off rough, shiny, flat surfaces in a diffuse reflection pattern. Some animals also have their own light, like fireflies, jellyfish, and etc. Thank you.